Let's go ahead and let's take a look at the identity matrix now. We see here that I sub n is an n by n square matrix whose main diagonals are 1s, with every other element being 0. And we come down here, we see that if A is an m by n matrix, then A is equal to A times I sub n, but it's also equal to A times I sub m. If A is an n by n matrix, then A is equal to A times I sub n, which is equal to I sub n times A. All right, what does that mean for us? So right here, we have a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3. So A is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 is not the same size. So that's an n by n. And we have times I sub 3 right there. So that would be the equivalent of an I sub n. Right there. So what we have is we have this first row of A. We're going to go across and we're going to take this and we're going to multiply this by every element in the first column, the second column, and the third column, respectively, of I. Then we're going to come through and we take the second row of A and we multiply the second row by every element in the first column, second column, and third column, respectively. And what we end up with is 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 0 is 3. Same thing for the second row. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. So we end up back where we started. So A times I sub n is equal to A. Oh, geez, what does this mean right here? Write each system as a matrix equation, AX equals B, then use Gauss-Jordan elimination on the augmented matrix AB to solve the system. Where A is the coefficient matrix, X is the column matrix of variables, and B is the column matrix of constants. Let me clone this page right here. Here we go. So we'll come down here and we'll work this one first. So matrix A, so we have 1x to the first, 1x to the second, x sub 1 plus 1x sub 2 plus 1x sub 3. Then we have 2x sub 1 minus 1x sub 2 plus 2x sub 3 minus 1, 4 and 1. So this is A times x. So we have x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3 is equal to B 2, 4, 3. All right, guys, that's how we write it. So I'm going to go ahead and set this second one up over here in a similar manner. So we have AX equals B. So we have 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 8. 2, 3, 2 times x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3 is equal to 9, negative 16, and 6. All right, we have that set up. We're going to come back to this first one, and they want us to take this form and create an augmented matrix. Okay, here we go. 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, negative 1, 2, 4, negative 1, 4, 1, 3. In terms of solving this, what I'll do here is I will put this into the calculator and we'll work the other one mathematically. All right, so they want us to do Gauss-Jordan elimination. So Gauss-Jordan elimination, guys, in our calculator is RREF, that's reduced row echelon form. Reduced row echelon form. So I come here. I want to clear this out. Let's go to quit right there. Okay. second matrix, and we're going to edit A, because we want this one to be 3 rows. Because it's an augmented matrix with answers, we want it to be a 3 by 4. I don't want it to be a 3 by 4. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, enter, 1, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter. It's our first row. Second row, 2, -1, 2, 4. 2, enter, -1, enter, 2, enter, 4, enter, 2, -1, 2, 4, -1, 4, 1, 3. So last row, -1, enter, 4, enter, 1, enter, 3, enter. All right, so we have 3 by 4 matrix. I'm going to quit, do second X inverse, that gets us back here. So what we want to do now is come over here to math B, because we want that reduced row echelon form. That's Gauss-Jordan elimination right here. We want the reduced row echelon form of matrix A. Bing, bang, boom, fellas. -1/2, 0, 2.5. So -1/2, 0, 2.5. And it's x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3. We can substitute it back in just to make sure. So -1/2. So 1/2 plus 0 plus 2.5 is 3. So we have -2 plus 0. So let's see. So -1/2 times 2. So we have -1 plus 0 plus 5, which gives us 4. And -1/2 plus 2.5 plus 0, which gives us 2. All right, we did a good job there. Here, you can do the same thing. I told you I want to show you mathematically how to do that. So let's take these and let's do, so 1, -2, -3, 9, -4, 1, 8, -16, 2, 3, 2, 6. All right. So I'm going to take that 1, -2, -3, 9. I'm going to put that with the -4, 1, 8, -16. I'm going to put it with the 2, 3, 2, 6. So -4 is already negative, and my 1 is positive. So I can get rid of this -4 if this is a positive 4. Ooh, how does that become a positive 4? Well, it becomes a positive 4 if I multiply the entire thing by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times -2 is -8. 4 times -3 is -12. And 4 times 9 36. So 4 plus -4 is 0. -8 and 1 is -7. So that's x sub 2. Then -12 and 8 is -4 x sub 3 equals 20. Over here, I have to multiply everything. I'm going to go by -2. So -2 and 1 is -2. Negative and negative is positive 4. Negative and negative is positive. 3 and 2 is 6. And opposite signs multiply or divide to negative. So I can add those together. So 2 plus -2 is 0. 4 plus 3, so that's 7x sub 2. 6 and 2 is 8, x sub 3. And -18 and 6 is -12. Look at this, guys. -7x sub 2 minus 4x sub 3 equals 20. Oh, this is beautiful. Plus 7x sub 2 plus 8x sub 3 equals -12. Look at that. 7 and negative 7. Those things are inverses. Bam, that's done. So 8 minus 4 gives us 4x sub 3. 20 minus 12 is 8. Divide both sides by 4. So x sub 3 is 8 divided by 4, or 2. All right, we substitute that back in here. So negative 7x sub 2 minus 4 times 2, so minus 8. So that means we're going to add 8 to both sides. Negative 7x sub 2 equals 28. We're going to divide both sides by negative 7. X sub 2 is negative 4 on the extended page. So let's come back up here and let's go into this first one. So we have 1, negative 2, negative 3, 9. So we have 1, negative 2, negative 3, 9. So x sub 2, we said was negative 4. And we said that x sub 3 was positive 2. So we have x sub 1 plus 8 minus 6 equals 9. So x sub 1 plus 2 equals 9. We take away 2. X sub 1 equals 7. So our answer in x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3 form is 7, negative 4, and 2.